Holy smokes! What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Did you all miss me? I've been traveling for the last couple of days and now I'm finally back to my home, back doing regular stuff. There is so much of work pending, so many unboxings to do. Today's video is going to be very interesting because I have a unique home theater system guys. So this is Sennheiser's all new Ambeo Soundbar Mini. A lot of people keep looking to buy like soundbars and home theaters, right? But thing is, usually general soundbars are like quite big and long in size. Not everybody has like a spacious TV cabinet where they can place a soundbar on a tabletop surface, right? People actually keep looking to buy compact yet powerful soundbars. You people came to the right video. So this Sennheiser's all new Ambeo Soundbar Mini is very compact in size compared to their Plus or Max edition, which we actually unboxed and reviewed just a couple of weeks ago on our channel, yet packs like powerful specs and drivers. The whole home theater can produce around like 600 watts of total RMS sound, has 6 drivers on board. Soundbar alone has like 2 front firing drivers, 2 side drivers are there, 2 at the top, and also supports like a wireless subwoofer as well. Subwoofer itself is like 350 watts guys, 8-inch woofer driver unit. I'm like very excited to talk about the soundbar in this video and check out the performance. So before we actually get started, I won't be doing any unboxing right now guys because packaging is like pretty similar to their Plus variant which we unboxed a couple of days ago. In the package you just get the soundbar, subwoofer, couple of accessories, cables and paperwork. Just check out that video if you're interested. Right now what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, connect it to my TV, use it for a couple of days and then be right back to continue this video. Alright, I'm back to continue the video. It's been a couple of days we've been using Sennheiser's Ambeo Soundbar Mini at my place, and today in this video I will be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. I'm pretty sure you people have a lot of questions regarding the virtual surround sound effect and also Dolby ATMOS support and all of that. So I will be covering a lot of details in depth actually, along with pros and cons. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, let me give you like a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality part. So there you go. Here's how Sennheiser's all new Ambeo Soundbar Mini looks like, and initial impressions I have to say this is like a very compact looking soundbar, right? If you people remember, a couple of weeks ago we actually unboxed and reviewed their Ambeo Soundbar Plus edition also, and that was like very large guys, massive soundbar. Compared to that, this is like very compact. The length is only around like 2.5 feet, so it fits very easily on any sort of tabletop surface. Thing is, not everybody has like a spacious TV cabinet or large tabletop surface, right? People keep looking to buy compact soundbars, and in that category this is like a premium category soundbar, so fits the job. But don't be fooled by the looks. This is actually like very powerful soundbar. The soundbar alone can produce around like 250 watts of output and has 6 drivers on board, and yes, it does support Sennheiser's Ambeo virtualization also. We'll come and talk about the sound quality part in a moment. If you talk about the build quality, excellent build quality guys. Again, this is not something new. We've already reviewed Sennheiser's Ambeo Soundbar Plus and has like a very similar fit and finish. Entire soundbar is wrapped in this beautiful black fabric sort of finish and looks quite premium for the price that you're paying. You have the Sennheiser logo on the front and a backlit white LED Ambeo logo on the right side, followed by some sensors, and as usual looks like the entire body is made of like solid quality polycarbonate material. Definitely like a heavy soundbar despite the size. But one thing I do have to mention is, since the soundbar is like wrapped in a fabric sort of cloth finished material, right, it might look quite premium and luxury sort of product, but maintenance is a bit difficult guys, same like their Plus edition soundbar. Dust accumulates quite easily and is actually like very easily seen on this fabric sort of material, so you'll have to keep cleaning this soundbar every 2 to 3 days to keep it looking neat. Going to the top side, this is where you have all the media control buttons. You're getting like complete touch panel over here with the Sennheiser logo at the center, and if you can observe, right, the top panel is actually inclined guys at a nice position, so all the buttons are like easily accessible when you want to touch them. You have plenty of buttons over here. Play pause at the center, volume up and down is there, Bluetooth button, and also input source select. And this one is your microphone mute function. Remember, the soundbar also has like onboard microphones because it has like built-in Alexa voice assistant and also like acoustic room calibration, right? So for that purpose it requires a microphone. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly turn around the soundbar and show you all the available connectivity ports on this model. You get a mains quad port, one HDMI out is there that supports EARC, one USB port to connect some storage devices, a reset and a setup button. Connectivity section is a bit limited. You do not have support for digital optical in, and aux in support is also not there, and HDMI pass-through is also missing. So keeping the soundbar aside, let me also show you how the subwoofer looks like. Subwoofer is not something new. We've already seen and reviewed the Ambeo sub along with the Ambeo Soundbar Plus edition, right? So we can use the same model here also, and best part is it's a completely wireless soundbar. That means there is no wire going from the subwoofer to the soundbar, guys. It's a premium quality subwoofer and is quite large in size and definitely weighs heavy, guys. The subwoofer alone is around like 8.2 kilos. Like imagine the kind of rumble you can get when you actually pair this thing with this Ambeo soundbar, guys. Like it's crazy. You'll anyhow get to know about the sound quality and performance at a later part in this video. Setting up the soundbar and subwoofer is like walk in the park, guys. Hardly takes like 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. And there are like multiple ways you can use the soundbar. As I've told you, it supports Bluetooth connectivity, HDMI is also there with EARC, USB port is also available. I have connected it to the TV via HDMI EARC only because that is how you'll get best possible audio quality results. And now coming to the subwoofer, as I've told you, it's like a completely wireless home theater system. There is no cable going from the subwoofer to the soundbar. You'll need to actually use Sennheiser smart control app on your phone and pair the subwoofer with your soundbar. Or you do have like a setup button also available directly at the back of the soundbar. Simply click on that and it will automatically sync and pair with the Ambeo subwoofer present in the same room. And that's it. Once you're done with the setup and initialization, first thing I would recommend you to do is do acoustic room calibration. You can easily do this using Sennheiser smart control app, and it will utilize those onboard far field microphones, and it will get like a complete graph of your current room, maybe living room, wherever you use net, and it will automatically tune and optimize the drivers on board to give you best possible results. It'll hardly take around like 10 minutes, guys, another 10 minutes for that process, but you'll definitely see a difference. And it's about time we check out the performance of this product, right? So what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, maybe some other OTT related apps, play some content for you people, just have a look at them, sit back, relax and enjoy this content, and after that we'll talk about the performance and audio quality of this home theater system. Dubai duty free shopping day. So guys, today is our last day in Dubai. I've already checked out of my hotel and directly came to the airport. Our flight is actually at 2 o'clock, but right now the time is 10 o'clock. And the main reason I came over here is for shopping, as I've told you, duty free shopping. So before we talk anything about the sound quality, first of all, let me tell you about the driver setup and configuration on both the soundbar and subwoofer. Ambeo Soundbar Mini actually features like 6 drivers, unlike to the 9 drivers present on the Ambeo Soundbar Plus edition. Obviously, price difference is there, right? That is much more premium soundbar, so they wanted to keep some sort of difference, at least in the drivers and the sound performance. You're getting 2 front firing drivers, 2 drivers are placed at the sides of the soundbar, and 2 are placed at the top side. And out of these 6 drivers, you're getting 4 full range 4-inch drivers on the front side, each 1.6 inches, and at the top you're getting dual woofers, that to each 4-inch driver size unit. So combined all of these, they produce around like 250 watts of RMS output. The soundbar alone is capable of producing that much sound. And if you talk about the subwoofer, I've told you, right, the Ambeo sub features like a 1/8 inches long throw woofer driver unit and is capable of producing around like 350 watts of RMS output. So combined you can expect around like 600 watts of total RMS output in this wireless home theater system. And yes, it also supports Dolby ATMOS, DTS:X decoding, all of these is also there. As I've told you, I've been using this soundbar for quite some time, and let me tell you, audio quality over here is like really good. Initially I was a bit skeptical because looking at the size and also considering the number of drivers compared to Ambeo Soundbar Plus, it had like limited drivers, right? So I was a bit skeptical, thinking it might not be that level. But now once I powered it on, connected it to my TV and played some content, right, boom, I was like blown away by the results. I mean, obviously this is like a premium category soundbar, though it might be like an affordable range in Sennheiser's Ambeo series, but compared to a general market, this still falls in like mid-range premium category segment. You're almost paying like 50,000 rupees, so obviously you'll get like premium quality sound, right? Excellent amount of detail, guys, no matter what sort of content you're watching, and especially vocals and voice clarity, right? Crisp and clear. All the dialogues are like clearly audible in movies or even like web shows and TV serials as well. And coming to the treble quality is also like really good. It is producing silky smooth trebles. And talking about the low frequency response, as I've told you, soundbar itself has like dual woofer driver units, each of 4 inches. And see, if you haven't used the Ambeo subwoofer, right, you might be like pretty much happy and satisfied only, because the built-in dual woofers can go as low up to like 43-45 hertz and was definitely producing like good amount of bass. But once you actually get this dedicated Ambeo wireless subwoofer and connect it to this soundbar, right, bam, the whole experience changes, because that is like a very powerful subwoofer. As I've told you, features a large 8 inches long throw woofer driver unit, and the subwoofer alone is capable of producing 350 watts and can go as low as up to 25-27 hertz also. So the kind of low frequency response, the rumble that you get once you connect the subwoofer, right, it's like next level, guys. Especially if you watch movie trailers or maybe like, you know, intense action scenes where there's a lot of gun firing or bomb blasting. And have you seen the trailer for that fighter movie? It's like crazy on this home theater system, guys. You will be blown away by the kind of sound this soundbar combined with the subwoofer was producing. I had like a really good experience. Now you might ask about the sound stage and overall how is the 3D surround sound effect, right? So that was also very nice, though you can't compare it with the Plus model of their soundbar, but theek hai. Yes, it does support Dolby Atmos and DTS:X is also there. And as I've told you, crazy feature is Ambeo soundbar series support Ambeo virtualization, which when you enable, right, it will upmix any sort of stereo content and produce a room filling 7.1.4 sort of 3D surround sound experience. Difference was definitely there when you turn it on, and effect was more prominent, especially when you're watching cinematic scenes, action scenes in movies. And you might even ask about the surround sound experience, right? On paper the soundbar might have top firing speakers, but they're actually woofers, guys, and on top of that the top panel is like covered. So these woofers generally produce like spherical waves, and the sound waves travel from the side of the soundbar. There is no cutout at the top, guys, so virtually they do not hit the ceiling and do not give you that realistic surround sound experience as how you would get on their Ambeo Plus variant of the soundbar. So surround sound experience was not as good as their Ambeo Plus variant, but compared to any other regular soundbar in the market, it was definitely a lot better. And yes, you cannot compare it with a real 5.1 or 7.1 experience, because in those home theater systems you literally have like satellite speakers, right, which will produce genuine sound from the rear side. So I really wish the brand could have added some sort of option where we could connect some satellite speakers to this existing system. You know, just like how they made their subwoofer wireless, maybe in future they can make some wireless satellite speaker units which we can add to this existing Ambeo ecosystem and upgrade the audio experience. Well, that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. My unboxing and review on Sennheiser's all new Ambeo Soundbar Mini. Really good quality soundbar, obviously a premium quality soundbar that is producing exceptional quality sound and had like amazing bass when you combine it with their Ambeo subwoofer, guys. Has all the features you're looking for. Dolby Atmos support, powerful subwoofer is also there, and lots of connectivity features are also included. Plus you're also getting like full EQ customization using their Sennheiser smart control app on your phone. Only couple of things if I had to nitpick, right? Very limited connectivity ports. You're not getting digital optical in, aux in support is not not there. HDMI pass-through is also missing. I think the brand has removed all these features to keep a bit of difference between their premium, mid-range and affordable lineup of soundbars. If you want all those features, you'll have to go for the Plus or Max variant of their Ambeo soundbars. Apart from that, everything else was fine. Sennheiser's Ambeo soundbar mini is priced around 49,990 rupees, and if you talk about the subwoofer, as I've told you, subwoofer doesn't come with the soundbar and you'll need to buy it separately, which again costs around like 69,990 rupees. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got complete information on the product, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.